Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Alicia Williams and here we do all things beauty. So I know it's been a minute since I've posted and been active, but I thought this would be a perfect time to be active because I just got a SHEIN wig. I already took it out of its packaging, but this is what it looks like after you take it out of the shipping packaging. So it's still in there. I haven't taken it out fully, undone it, but it's in a bag. So I really wanted to get into this, and I have to braid my hair down. It's just blown out, and this is my natural hair, about back's length. It doesn't look like it, but I mean, my teacher, I'm in cosmetology, my teacher, she helped me trim my ends and stuff, so it looks pretty blunt, which I'm okay with. It's just getting braided down. So if you're interested in installing a wig, or if you like SHEIN, just keep watching. Okay guys, so I'm back. I braided my hair down. I don't want to talk about the braids. It's only 6. I have nails on, so these braids are terrible, and I'm trying not to think about it because thinking about it is just gonna make me cry because I've never braided my hair so badly. So anyway, fast forwarding, I'm gonna go ahead and put a wig cap on. It's just a standard wig cap. I got it in the shade number 2, which is called Natural Beige. It's like 4401. The brand is called My Remy. So this is the wig cap I'm going with. I'm gonna go ahead and start by wiping down my forehead perimeter with rubbing alcohol just so that it adheres better. Okay, so now that it's on and my braids are tucked in, I'm gonna just spray the hairline with my Got2b spray, but it's probably just gonna look funny because I'm gonna have this over my eyes a little. So and then I cut little openings for my eyes and ears just so they can breathe in here, I guess. I don't want no pressure on them. Let me see. It is 28 inches, a blonde wig. It's a 13x6, all human hair. Taking it out. So if you look at it, it is a body wave unit. It's not straight or curly, it's body waves. So it's supposed to be 28 inches. I'm not the best judge of that. I could get some measuring tape to check, but I trust it. It's SHEIN. It does come in a hairnet, and it has packaging puff. Okay guys, so I finally made it to the point where I had cut around the hairline, but after you get by the ears, it starts lifting in the back. I just used a double cap to hold the back up still, but I'm gonna put foundation on this top part so that it looks like scalp. As for the wig, I'm gonna go ahead and tone her first. By then my glue, I'm gonna start using some Wig Lace Bond. So mine looks a little beat up, don't make fun of me, but mine looks like this. It's a Wig Lace Bond. It's waterproof wig glue. So I'm gonna start putting that on my hairline right now, so as it's drying I'm gonna be toning the hair. So be back. Okay, so I'm on my 3rd layer of glue. I'm waiting for this to dry. It's okay if you don't, aren't able to cover this part, but I did do an outline around my natural baby hairs. So it looks the same kind of on both sides. As soon as it dries, then we'll start putting it on. But I did tone the hair. She does look so much cooler now and not so much golden, if you guys can see. It's quite a difference. So I'm about to detangle it, and it already came with baby hairs. I don't think I got to mention that, but it did. It already has some little edges. So we'll see if I can make use of that. Okay, so I detangled the unit. This is what I meant by the baby hairs. These are little hairs that they had already included. Very minimal shedding. It's not a lot at all, honestly. I don't consider this a lot of hair, especially compared to mine. So I think everything's going good so far. What I do want to do is I want to go ahead and put some foundation on my cap. I want to install it while it's wet, just so I can style it while it's wet on me. So I might put a little bit of foundation on the inside of the lace, but you'll see. Okay. Okay, so this is how it's looking so far. I have my foundation on. The foundation I used is the e.l.f. Camo CC cream. The thing about it is that actually it's a little too light for my skin, so I thought it would be perfect for like my wig cap, and I actually think it looks nice. So the tough part is like pulling this down to have it stick. Now I don't want it, I want it to line up first, so I'm gonna try to line it before I like set it down. Let me see. I just want to slick these pieces back before I actually start, because I don't want them in the way and to mess up the hold. The hairline looks so natural. I entirely forgot about tweezing, but the hairline looks so good. So I'll worry about tweezing if it actually looks bad, or I'll fix it. But I'm about to pull it down, okay? And then run the comb through it, just so it can adhere. Yeah, that's exactly what I mean. The ear is always the hard spot. Okay, so while I have it melting together, the Wander Lace, the Got2b, as I have it all, you know, trying to stick and hold, I'm gonna tie it down with my kitsch. It's like an edges kind of scarf, so I'm gonna tie it down with this. It's not really tying, but you know, lay it. And I'll come back in like 20 minutes, and then you guys will see like the end result of me cutting it off and styling it. Okay, so it's on and it's dry. It got a little dark outside. It's like 6:40 going on like 7. So I have the light on. So like I know like the yellow lighting plus my wig being kind of pale looking doesn't help, but I don't know. I'm gonna go ahead and start cutting the lace because I haven't done that yet, but it's like thoroughly dry. Yeah, it feels great. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace. I did blow dry the hair already though. So this is the hair blowed out. You know, just blow dry it with a little bit of heat protector and oil, a lightweight oil. Let me see. And it is easier to cut in sections. I'm like blunt cutting right now with scissors, but I'm about to go back in with my razor to make it look a little more seamless. You know what I'm saying? Right now I'm just going in to take off the big pieces, and I'm gonna go back over it with this. Okay, so this is how it's looking. I don't know what time it is, but it's dark. I cut some edges for some baby hairs, so I'm gonna swoop them. I'm leaving the middle as is because it's just really blended. So, and then I'll do a little bit of swooping on the sides for my Hey guys, okay, so this is the final result. I might even do like next day results just so you guys can see it way better in lighting, but I had go ahead and I like curled the edges and then I curled the ends. It's a little lazy of me, but I only curled the ends. I didn't curl all the way up to the head, which would have looked better honestly, but it's okay. I think everything else looks pretty dang great. Thank you guys so much for making it to the end of this video. I'm also probably going to show some tomorrow results just for better lighting. So I don't want to close it out fully, but if I do decide to close it out fully, thank you. If I don't, next.